Therefore I tell you, do not worry about your life, what you will eat or drink, or about your body, what you will wear. Look at the birds of the air. They do not sow or reap or store away in barns, and yet your heavenly Father feeds them. He does not say, "Work harder and you will be fine." He says, "Look at the birds. They wake up every morning with no stored resources, no savings account, no plan B, and they are fed. Not because they are special, but because the Father who made them provides for them. Are you not much more valuable than they? More valuable, you, with all your imperfections, with all your doubts, with all the ways you feel like you are failing, more valuable than the birds the Father feeds every morning. Simple, beautiful, unconcerned.